lady palm care, tips for growing lady palms indoors. Spot your lady palm plant close to an east-facing window, out of direct sunlight. They flourish in comfortable indoor temperatures of somewhere in the range of 60 and 80 F. 16 to 27 C. Water the palm when the soil is dry to a profundity of 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, in spring and summer. In fall and winter, permit the soil to dry to a profundity of 2 inches, 5 centimeters. Soak the soil with water until it comes from the drainage holes in the lower part of the pot and purges the saucer under the pot for 20 to 30 minutes. At the point when the plant turns out to be so large and heavy that it is difficult to empty the saucer, set it on top of a layer of rocks to keep the soil from reabsorbing the dampness. The most effective method to care for a lady palm outdoors. Large plantings of lady finger palms may help you to remember bamboo, yet without the intrusive propensities. Plant them as you would support on 3 to 4 foot, 91 centimeters to 1 meter, focuses to form a screen or backdrop. They additionally make decent specimen plants. Outside plants produce fragrant yellow flowers in spring. Ladies' palms are tough in USDA hardness zones 8P through 12. They need full or partial shade. In spite of the fact that they adjust well to an assortment of soil types, they perform best in rich, very much depleted soil with a lot of natural matter. Water is frequently enough to keep the soil delicately damp where viable. The plants tolerate moderate drought. Use a palm fertilizer, according to the label instructions, no more than once a year.